Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom get out of hand, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is out of control or in an unruly state. The party was going good until the music was played way too loud. Let's turn the music down before it gets out of hand. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The two friends are having an argument. One of them stops it before it goes too far. This is ridiculous. I don't want it to get out of hand, so let's cool off. The kids are playing with their food. Their parent isn't very happy about it. It all got out of hand and took me hours to clean up. The dancer got overexcited when they were dancing. I got a bit out of hand and ended up falling over. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The office staff were having a debate in the meeting room. Management were overlooking it. I think we should put a stop to this now. It's starting to get out of hand. Two colleagues were getting on each other's nerves. You've gotten completely out of hand here. I'm going to our manager about it. During the disciplinary meeting, the employee was fighting their case, but things began to get a little heated. You're getting out of hand again. This is what has you in this meeting in the first place. Where did you hear the expression, get out of hand? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.